Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I have a 2015 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the ignition coil pack. Alright, so let's go ahead and get in it and open the hood and let's get started. Alright, so once we open the hood, we expose our engine. We need to remove this plastic cover, so just pry from the side, just like that. Alright, and this should have been in the little tabs back here, but mine's broken, I guess. Alright, move it to the side. This right here is your coil pack. And it looks like we're going to need a torx bit to remove this. And the size is going to be a T30. There you go, T30. Sorry, my hands are all dirty already. Alright, so let's go ahead and move this tab to the right. Disconnect this one. Pull the tab out just a tad bit. And then push down on this button. Hold on. Push the tab out, push down on the button, and pull it out just like that. Alright, move this to the side so it doesn't get in your way. Grab a ratchet and let's take these off. There we go. Once we have our screws loose, take them out. Put them somewhere safe where you won't lose them, of course. Now, remember, this is probably going to be hot if you've been driving recently. So be careful. Make sure the engine is cold. Take this out. There you go. You see how this one's broken right here? That's a no-no. Look at that. It's still going to make the connection and run right, but it's going to throw on a misfire code. So we're going to put this one to the side, out with the old, and let's grab the new one. Well, so look at that. Part of my boot's still in there. I need to get needle nose pliers and be very careful when I take that out. Alright. There's my old part. Let me grab the new part and show you guys. This is the new part right here. New part. All of them are still good. Shiny. Ready to go. I'm going to try to put a link in the description so you guys can see where I got this from, but I purchased it on Amazon, so it should be plain and simple. Alright, let's go get a needle nose plier, get this little boot out of there, install a new one, put it back together, and finish the job. Alright, just like that, grab with some needle nose pliers, pull these out, and then let's put the new one back in place. Just trying to get all the debris from the packaging out of here. Alright, so let's put it in place. Push it down. Make sure that it fits in there correctly. Put our screws. Get them started by hand to make sure that they are in the right position. There we go. This other screw, put it in here. Oh, sorry about my camera work here, guys. Alright, so now that they're hand tight, let me grab the socket and tighten it up. Plug it in. Alright, with those two screws being nice and tight, let's plug this back in. Oh, take this cover off. Let's plug this back in until it clicks. Let's see. There we go. That little tab went down. Bam. We're plugged in. Let's put our cover back on. The way you put it on is you line up your little tabs back here on the back. And then clip it. Done deal. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. That's exactly how you change the coil pack on a Chevrolet Cruze. Now, this works anywhere from 2012 all the way up to 2016 limited. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Hope you learned something today. Have a good day.